Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. Today we have a exciting tool that I have been using to help me rank higher and to plan content and optimize it on the to rank higher on Google. And so this is something that a lot of people have heard about it, but some people might not know. So I just want to make a video about this one. It's called Writers, and this one here they have a lot of different features on here that allows you to rank higher by optimizing your blog post. And so they have some testimonial on here that you can try it out and read through them. And just want you to have a chance to try it out. The tool they have, let me see the pricing here. Okay, so right now you can get started with the lowest plan if you want to, and it's only two projects, and you can write 25 content analysis. You can have analyze 25 content projects, and then you have 15,000 AI credits. It's usually linked to how many words that's going to be. Usually, one credit can give you 1 to 5 words. Look at that. So that can create a lot of words for you, and they have internal linking, content sharing, email support. But the plan that really, the gold plan is the one that's really interesting in that it has plagiarism checks built in. Okay, they give you 10 projects. You can have a team with this one, a small agency. Okay, so if you're into creating blog posts for other people, you're creating words article for other people and you want to share. Look, this option here that allow you to create, edit, and share. And then schema, data, explorer, content management, email, and chat support. The main thing is plagiarism check is really important as well. So for this one right here is 57 euro per month. And so I just want to show you a little bit. You can get started with this plan here. Let me see what else is here. So server SEO is another one, but server SEO is a lot more. Uh, is another one that is a good platform as well. But let's check it out. Okay, let's check it out. So this one right here, this is the plan they have. Now, did you know that Surfer SEO has a free um, forever plan, meaning they give you optimized track one website. Look at that. If you only need one website to be tracked and you have every 28-day SEO insights, low impression site, look at this. So optimize and rank unlimited amount on website. Wow, look at that. So only. Yeah. So check it out. I'm sure not a lot of people knows, even though they think it's for SEO is expensive, they give you some option to try it out for free here. So if you like it, then you can upgrade to the next level. Okay, so let's see here. Surfer has connection with Jasper, SEMrush, WordPress, and Google Doc. And the product they have, let's check it out. This is something that it's gonna help you to link together. Let's try it out. Yeah, they have videos, they have a lot of things to help you. Adding 7 missing keywords. Okay, topic and establish authority on your site. So if you're into writing blog posts, I bet you didn't know that Surfer SEO has that option. Another one that's really Writecream has a free forever plan as well. I just want to point it out because look at all these free tools here that you might not be aware of. And I know I touched on these free tools before, but I just want to highlight them. And you can click on any of these. They're very generous in terms of SEO tools. Look at that. Backlinking assistant, social media, YouTube idea, video script, YouTube voiceover. Okay, so ad copy. Wow, look at all this e-commerce even. Okay, so you can look at the pricing for Right Cream here. They give you free forever plan. Look at that. You can try it for free for 10,000 words. You can get 20 icebreaker or these are for podcasts, voiceover, short articles, and yeah, you can even access all of their tools there and their newest features. So did you know that? And their plan is pretty generous in that it's $29 per month and it's unlimited words. And you can check on other videos I had about Writecream and WordHero and other comparison. But Writecream has a really interesting features in there that gonna help you to write long blog posts too. Here, 5,000 words each. Look at that. So that's like 10,000 words for free every month. Can't pass on these. So if you subscribe to my channel, you would be informed of a lot of different free forever plan of these premium these platform that they offer, and they give you some of the limited features on their platform. Try it out for free. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on a notification so that you'll be notified when I post a video. And some of the videos, it's going to show you, hey, you can try this for free for every month. This is very generous. Every month you get this many. So I think I want to say this is about 10,000. So 8,000 to 10,000 words per month, roughly. Okay. Mm. And then a whole bunch of these, 20 credits. Can you believe it? Yeah, so I hope that helps you for you to try it out. Now, Neuronwriter, I don't see that they have any free forever plan on here, to be honest. I don't know how you try it out, but I guess you have to pay. But I'm gonna say that I'm gonna show you one that right now they have a free plan that you can try it out. It's only 3,000 words, but looky right here. I'll put the links down there for you. And try it out for here, and it's very inexpensive. So look over here. They have similar features. I might not be as advanced as Neuronwriters, but if you don't have Neuronwriters and you don't have the budget for it, then definitely check this one out. And they have pretty generous to yeah, look at that, 50,000 words credit, 25 content planner, 20 natural language processing project, things like that. And for a few dollars, but this is, remember, you have to pay annually, but still with annually that's about 30 about $36. Yeah, so it's not bad for the whole year. Okay, now I just want to highlight some of the features here. So features here is going to be, where is that? Some of the features is going to be, they automatically post your blog, unlimited automation tasks, unlimited ad, WordPress site, and content brief. So they automatically upload into your here into your blog for you. Content outline tools, auto generate content based on your outline and write content automatically. Look at that. And then you can try it out, do a demo, do the auto generations, and then rank hires by optimizations, and then keep your WordPress up to date with automations, content planner. Now, even though it's a plagiarism checker here, but remember that it's something you have to integrate with Copyscape. Okay, it's not something that they have their own, in-house one, just like Neuronwriter does. But still for the price, it's pretty reasonable, and you can pay for a little bit more with Copyscape um, to add on to this very low price for content AI, but $3 to $6 per month. $3 to start per month to start out, and then they have rewrite paragraphs and things like that. So yeah, let me know what you think about these tools here, because these tools really going to be something. I think this tool has a lot of features for you. Like it has one-click AI. It claims that it helps you to write the outline, and then just a click, and then form the keyword content, generate the content for you, and post it on the website for you, help you to optimize it, and then keep your WordPress up to date, and then content planner. Yeah, this is a lot of cool features here. So I hope you have a chance to check it out. Let me know what you think if you tried it out and you have good results on this platform. So the one I went over was Neuronwriter, which is right here. And then I have Content Writecream. Where was it? Writecream. Okay. And then I went over Content. Content AI. So those are the three different platform. Some of you might not be aware of the last two, but the so Writecream Content AI is something that I think it's a very reasonable price. So let me know on your progress and let me know if you want me to do more videos about certain tools that you haven't tried out. You want me to try it out for you. So see you in the next video. Thank you.